Hey guys, it's Carmelia Ray, celebrity matchmaker and dating coach for elite men. Today I'm going to share my tips on how to turn a woman on in bed. Now, the first way to turn a woman on in bed is, first of all, make love to her mind. Yes, us ladies, we need to hear how hot you are for us. Okay, so whether that is, telling us how much you appreciate us, how beautiful we are, you know what turns on your woman, or at least you should know. Now, this should come naturally to you. First of all, you should be able to express the fact that you can't believe that you're in bed with her. It's got to feel like you're unwrapping a present every single time that you're in bed. And those words, how you say it, when you say it, the women want to know that you appreciate us. When we're feeling not ourselves or we're not in the mood, there is a way that you can speak to us that really turns us on. So that could be something as much as, oh, I loved the way you did this today. Or, man, I could not wait for this moment. I thought about you all day at the office. Or, man, I couldn't wait till the kids went to bed. Whatever your circumstances are, you want to feed in her brain that you are so excited that you are in bed with the woman of your dreams. Now, it can't be hokey. It can't sound like you're reading a lyric, but really, the biggest sexual organ is her brain. So turn her on and just watch how she reacts. Now, the other thing to turn a woman on in bed is, gentlemen, take your time. Just in the same way that you are seducing her with your words, you want to remove the clothes slowly. And now it depends on the kind of intimacy that you have, but in the case where you're trying to build that intimacy, I would say go slow. Take your time when it comes to undressing. Unless you're going to have animal sex, then yes, you want to rip those clothes off. But if you are just looking at it to have an experience and to take your time, maybe you rip the clothes off and then you take your time with her body. And that's the next point, is kissing. Kissing creates the mood. That exchange of fluids between you when you're mouth to mouth is one thing. But if you take the time to kiss all the other parts of her body, and I'm talking the erogenous zones, guys, okay? You want to kiss her neck. You want to kiss the ears. You want to kiss her hands. Now, some guys love feet. People love different kinds of things. You want to kiss every inch of her body and make it like a slow movement where she is like ready to want you, but you are holding it back, guys. You want to make sure that kissing is a way that you are kind of worshiping her, and that is going to make her want you. I gotta say, the more you delay the actual act, the more fun it is for both of you, and she is going to be begging you to literally let her have you, but you're gonna hold it back as long as possible. Now, if you want to create an activity around that, make sure that you set the mood. I cannot emphasize that the more you create the mood, whether it's you dim the lights, you've got the candles going, you've got the lavender scent. Yes, guys, lavender or whatever aphrodisiac it is, you take care of yourself. You've taken a shower or you've gotten rid of the work day, and you also smell great. That's going to just heighten her experience. Think about the way that you can engage all five senses. Whether it's a glass of wine, you've got touch, you've got looks, you've got sound, you've got smells, you've got all of those things put together. Really blow her mind with all of those things. If you've got to take the satin sheets out, maybe add the element of blindfold. That's a mystery. Man, if you can have this kind of sexual experience and heightened experience and delayed gratification, you are going to make her want you. Now, the other thing that you want to do, again, when I said giving her a massage, that's one thing, because it's all about her pleasure. When a woman knows you are more concerned about her experience and less about yours, I can't tell you how many women complain that their man, all they want to do is stick it in, get it done, get off, and go to sleep. not the experience that women want. The more that you can really play with her, play with the whole experience and create that ambiance, she is going to thank you for that. And finally, to make her really want you, ask her what she wants. Don't be afraid. Ask her, tell her, whisper in her ear, do you like this? What do you want me to do? Does this feel better? What do you want? Tell me. Tell her that you're aiming to please her. That is literally going to blow her mind. There you have it, guys. Those are some of my secrets to turning a woman on in bed. Now, if you want more, make sure you subscribe to our channel and schedule your free consultation so you can learn more about how you can become more confident in and out of the bedroom. I will see you next week.